Welcome back, guys. Today, we've got 18 amazing kitchen and home gadgets to make your life easier, cleaner, and more efficient. From cooking tools to cleaning machines, these products are designed to take your kitchen game to the next level while helping you stay organized and save time. Whether you're a chef, a home organizer, or a cleaning enthusiast, we've got something for everyone. Let's dive in. And as always, you'll find links to all the products in the description below. The hands-free electric citrus juicer features a one-button automated operation, making it easy to squeeze fresh juice from oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits with no effort. This sink caddy organizer keeps your sink area neat and tidy. Crafted from 304 rust-proof stainless steel, it features a high brush holder and a dedicated sponge holder, perfect for organizing all your cleaning essentials. The soap dispenser slot adds convenience, while its sleek design doubles as stylish kitchen decor and accessories. Designed for durability and easy cleaning, this caddy helps reduce clutter and keeps your countertop organized, making it a must-have addition to any kitchen. This car steam cleaner uses 212 degrees Fahrenheit pressurized steam to loosen dirt, grease, stains, and disinfect your vehicle. It's perfect for cleaning leather, upholstery, carpets, dashboards, and windows. The steamer is portable with a built-in carrying handle for easy transport. Includes 12 accessories like brushes, nozzles, and attachments to remove stains without chemicals. Simply add up to 40 ounces of distilled water, attach your desired tool, and start cleaning. The orange light indicates when it's ready to use. This auto-electric can opener opens cans effortlessly with the press of a button. This automatic, hands-free tool ensures smooth, safe edges as it effortlessly cuts through any standard can. Its battery-operated design makes it easy to use anywhere, with no need for manual effort. The red color adds a pop of style to your kitchen gadgets. Whether you have arthritis or just want a more convenient way to open cans, this can opener is a must-have for any modern kitchen. Yes, you can. Keep your kitchen organized with this over-the-sink dish drying rack. Fits most sinks, 17.5 x 11.8 inches, perfect for homes, RVs, and camping. Use it for drying dishes, rinsing produce, cooling hot pans, or thawing food. Made with 18 stainless steel pipes and food-safe silicone, it holds up to 33 pounds and withstands up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Rust-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and rolls up for easy storage. This ultimate silverware organizer maximizes drawer space with two expandable panels, fitting widths from 13 to 22.4 inches. It features 8 compartments in 3 sizes for easy sorting of utensils. Made from sturdy, BPA-free material, it's durable, safe, and easy to clean. Just rinse with water. The unique edge design ensures easy handling. Keep your kitchen drawers neat, organized, and efficient with this smart solution. This electric food chopper is the perfect tool for quick meal prep. Featuring a 150W motor and stay sharp blade, it makes chopping, mincing, and pureeing easy with just a one-touch pulse button. Its compact 1.5 cup capacity is ideal for small tasks, saving time and effort in the kitchen. Plus, the chopper is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Whether you're chopping vegetables, herbs, or making sauces, this food chopper offers convenience and efficiency in one compact design. This ergonomic watermelon slicer with a retractable fork makes slicing and serving effortless. Slice melons into perfect cubes, then switch to the fork for immediate enjoyment. Made of durable 304 stainless steel, it's rust-resistant and ensures a clean, efficient cut with minimal resistance. The retractable fork is perfect for camping and easy storage, while the sleek design prevents snags. The ice maker creates fresh bullet ice in just 6 minutes, producing up to 26 pounds of ice per day. With a 1.2L water tank, it holds 1.3 pounds of ice at a time. The portable design makes it easy to carry, perfect for home, parties, or camping. It features smart sensors, auto-cleaning, and low noise. The user-friendly control panel and energy-efficient 170W compressor make it simple to operate and save on electricity bills. This set includes a rotating spice rack with 20 pre-filled glass jars featuring removable sifter caps and labeled black caps. The 20 essential spices include basil, oregano, Italian seasoning, sea salt, and more. The polished stainless steel rack keeps spices organized and easily accessible on your countertop or in cabinets. and the clearly marked labels make it easy to find what you need while cooking. This meat tenderizer features 48 ultra-sharp stainless steel needle blades designed to effortlessly tenderize meat. Perfect for BBQs, steaks, and marinating, this tool helps break down tough fibers for a more flavorful and juicy result. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip while the durable construction guarantees long-lasting use. A must-have for any kitchen enthusiast, this tenderizer makes meal prep faster and more efficient, elevating the taste and texture of your meats every time. This hot dog roller can cook up to 18 hot dogs with ease, thanks to its 7 rollers and 1050W power. Perfect for parties, BBQs, and food trucks, this hot dog grill features dual temperature control to cook at varying speeds. The glass hood and acrylic cover ensure safe cooking, while the bun warmer shelf keeps buns fresh and warm. With a removable oil drip tray for easy cleaning, this ETL certified machine delivers convenient and efficient cooking for large batches of hot dogs. This electric spin scrubber is a versatile cordless cleaning tool designed to make your cleaning tasks easier. With 400 RPM and 8 replaceable brush heads, it offers deep cleaning for various surfaces like bathrooms, showers, bathtubs, glass, and even your car. The adjustable size and 2 speed settings ensure efficient scrubbing in hard-to-reach areas. With up to 90 minutes of runtime, this spin scrubber is perfect for tackling tough dirt and grime, making your cleaning routine faster and more effective. This is the measuring spoon set that levels itself for perfect precision. Just scoop, squeeze the handle, and swipe away the extra for accurate measuring every time. With 4 handy sizes, from 1/4 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon, you'll always have the right measure at hand. Engraved measurements stay clear wash after wash, so no fading worries. They snap apart for easy use and cleaning, then snap back together for simple storage. Less mess, less stress, just perfect measuring made easy. This uncrustable sandwich maker sealer cutter makes creating perfect crustless sandwiches a breeze. Ideal for PB&J or other fillings, it seals and cuts your sandwich into a neat, square shape without the crust. The gray color adds a sleek touch to your kitchen tools, while the compact design makes it easy to store. Whether for kids' lunches or a quick snack, this sandwich maker is a must-have for making delicious, mess-free, and perfectly sealed sandwiches in seconds. This is the ultimate kitchen game changer, the safest Mandoline slicer you'll ever use. Its smart design keeps your hands away from the blades while you slice like a pro. With over 30 slicing options from 1 to 8 mm cuts, plus julienne, matchstick, and dicing styles, you can prep ingredients in no time. Cleanup is a breeze with its foldable, compact design, food catch container, and cleaning brush. Slice safely, slice smart, and keep your kitchen neat and mess-free.